Terus jika tidak, baru habis itu
dibuat
R-nya rubah. Jangan dispakai. Bagaimana?
Assalamualaikum, welcome to IDN Test Pamijahan Bogor. A school with the major team. Location in Gunung Sari, Pamijahan Bogor. With a good view in here. There's a river. There's a lot of field. There's a lot good friends here. Together, we being better. We learn in the class quite easily. But in here, you can learn with class with the theme is nature. Not only about class. The dormitory and the other stuff except canteen is get met by nature team. And this now, the upgrade idea in the new era. The mosques already done. We're reading the Quran together there. Because we know world is only for a moment. Afterward is that forever. We're reading Quran attention only for Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. We together we pass this moment by moment. Together we being better, being stronger, being independent, and the other. Of course, not only learn about dunya, we learn also about IT. And we take knowledge from lecture with technology. Eating together in the canteen for make fulfill your body. Reading course is one of sunnah and is one of activity that we do here. A computer is our main passion. Even that we know we are tech nature team, but for the lesson, computer is number one. With computer, we can learn how to make that computer bring benefit to the other. Learn how to make a poster. Learn how to make a game for our future. In IDN Best Pamijahan, also there is more lesson on not only IT. There is English and of course dunia. Come on, join IDN right now.